Hey guys, well right now Stitch Fix is offering all new customers a free $25 credit when you set up an account. So any adult account will get this $25 credit. So if you've never tried Stitch Fix, or your spouse has never tried Stitch Fix, or your teens have never tried Stitch Fix, or you want to try Stitch Fix Kids, you need to sign up right now. This is something that they're doing exclusively with the Mom Creative just through the first week of June. So there isn't a whole lot of time left to get this $25 credit. So I've got all the details on the blog. You can click on the blog post to get those details. Stitch Fix is a styling service. I love it for when I'm going on trips, when I have special events coming up, or just when I need an update in my wardrobe and I don't have time to shop, like right now. So I'm going into 2 weeks of travel, have had a lot going on, and felt like my summer wardrobe really needed a refresh. So I emailed my stylist and asked for a box of summer tops, and she sent some amazing options. I have already looked at them, but I wanted to quickly share them with you here just so you could get a sense of some of the styles that they offer. This certainly is not everything, or not the only style that they offer. They definitely cater to what your tastes are, but there's some really cute stuff here, so I wanted to share it with you. So I'm gonna set this box here on the table. So it comes in a box like this with all of your goodies. It's got the price points in there. Most of these tops, or I think all of them, are in the $30 to $40 range. So it's a little more pricey than like an Old Navy, but you are getting a higher quality, more boutique style. So this is the first shirt. How cute is this? It has the sleeves that open up here. Can you see that little detailing and little ties? Really cute. I really love this one. Would love to know if you agree. I think it's really cute and really different. I don't have anything like it in my wardrobe. Okay, this one I love as well. I think this blue is really pretty. It's got like a sheer overlay. You can see the sleeves are sheer. It's super cute, I think, as well. And I really loved that all of these options would be great for hanging out with the kids on the weekend and for me for work. So really versatile options that they sent. This one I thought was really pretty as well. What I love about Stitch Fix is a lot of the stuff has really cute detailing. So you can see like the little lace here. So this is another really sweet top for summer. I always love a good red top. This black top, again, if we talk about the detailing here, can you see the scallops? I don't know if you can see that really well. But everything is scalloped on this top. So this one's super cute as well. And then here's the last top. This one is yellow, and it's got this really pretty flower button detail down the back. It's like a stretchy cotton top. So I'm really excited. I love every single one of these shirts. Stitch Fix does do an option where if you keep all 5 items, you get a 20% discount. And if you have not tried Stitch Fix, so this is what's so cool about this promo that they're doing right now. So it normally costs $20 to, it's their styling fee, to have the personal stylist style a box for you, okay? And then that $20 gets applied to anything that you keep. So you only lose it if you don't keep something in the box. And there have been very few. I'm an early adopter of Stitch Fix. I think I've probably gotten over 40 fixes, and I think there's only been a handful where I've actually sent a box back without keeping anything. So you're likely gonna keep something. So that $20 gets applied to anything that you keep. Well, with setting up a new account and them giving you that $25 credit, essentially it's $25 to apply to anything in your box. So you could literally get something for next to nothing. Okay, so here's the styling cards that they give you. I'm trying to see here if I've got the pricing in here. Yeah, okay, so these tops were $34 to $42. So if I had had that $25 credit, I literally would pay $9 out of pocket, and you are not going to pay for shipping either way as well. So your Stitch Fix box comes with a self-addressed bag that everything that you don't keep, you're going to send back. So this is seriously a great, great deal. I asked them if we could do this special for you guys because I feel like going into summer, sometimes it's hard to shop for yourself, and so it's really a treat to have someone do it for you and send you a box of curated items that you'll love. And listen, they don't obviously just do shirts. They do dresses, tops, pants. Stitch Fix has great pants, shorts, accessories. I've got necklaces from them, shoes from them, jackets, purses. They really have all of it. So even if maybe you're not needing something for your wardrobe, maybe you're needing an update and some accessories, or you need a new pair of shoes or something like that, that is certainly something that you could request. So seriously, if you have not signed up for Stitch Fix, I want you to click on that link to go to my blog and get that exclusive link that is only available to Mom Creative readers right now. No one else has this out there, so that you can get that $25 credit. It's going to apply to anything that you keep. Now, listen, there is a little workaround here if you have never done Stitch Fix Kids. So let's say you have a Stitch Fix account, but you haven't tried it for your kids. Go and watch. There's a video of Adeline and I doing an unboxing for her of some really cute stuff that she got from Stitch Fix Kids, and you can actually sign up for an adult account, and then from the adult account sign up for a kids account, and then order your kids account, and that $25 credit will apply to your kids account. Now, unfortunately, if you're already a Stitch Fix member and you add your kids, you're not going to get that $25 credit. But if your husband isn't, or your wife, or whomever, maybe your mom wants to sign up or something like that, that would be kind of the workaround. It has to be an adult account. All new adult accounts are getting that $25 credit. But listen, we've only got about a week left. So only through the first week of June can you take advantage of this. So it's the weekend. Take 5-10 minutes, set up a profile for yourself, put your address in there, put what you're looking for, and get that box sent to you, because I know you're gonna love this. Okay, let me know what you think in terms of the tops, and if you have any questions, I'd be happy to answer them. All right, I'll see you guys later. Have a great night. Bye-bye.